Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to Max class. In this conversation, we are going to continuation of exercise questions and related example also. Okay. Now moving to exercise 4.1, question number 2. What is the question? Find the period and amplitude. Given three subdivisions, so one by one we can discuss. Before moving to the question, what is the meaning of period and amplitude? We consider y is equal to a sin alpha x means amplitude is called modulus of alpha. Then period is called 2 pi by modulus of alpha. So normally sine graph, the one cyclic, isn't it? This is one cyclic means this is pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. So one cyclic totally we can say this is called period, isn't it? This is called height, isn't it? Moving to subdivision 1, question y is equal to sin 7x, isn't it? Sin 7x means actually y is equal to a sin alpha x means a is equal to value will be 1, alpha is equal to value will be 7. First we need to find out amplitude, isn't it? So amplitude means modulus of a value will be 1. Therefore we can write it, answer will be 1. Then period means 2 pi by modulus of alpha. Therefore 2 pi by alpha is equal to value will be 7. So modulus of 7 means answer will be 2 pi by 7. This is subdivision 1 answer. Moving to subdivision 2. Subdivision 2, y is equal to minus sin 1 by 3x. Therefore, the basic term y is equal to a sin alpha x means a is equal to minus 1, alpha is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, amplitude means amplitude is equal to modulus of alpha. Modulus of alpha a is equal to already we know minus 1. Therefore, we can write it positive 1 without modulus. Then period is equal to 2 pi by modulus of alpha. Therefore, 2 pi by alpha value will be 1 by 3. So, modulus of 1 by 3 is equal to, this is if you remove the modulus means 2 pi by, already denominator also positive. So, 1 by 3 reciprocal means 3 again bring out numerator. Therefore, already we have 2. So, 2 into 3 means 6 pi for period in subdivision 2. Moving to subdivision 3rd. Subdivision 3rd, y is equal to 4 sin of minus 2x. Already we know sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Why? 360 minus theta or 0 minus theta means 2 pi. Instead of 360 we can apply 2 pi means unit circle. It lies on 4th quadrant, isn't it? All silver teacup. 4th quadrant means cos only positive. There sin is, that's why I have written for sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Therefore, how to rearrange it? Minus 4 sin of 2x. So, y is equal to a sin alpha x means a is equal to minus 4, alpha is equal to 2. Therefore, amplitude is equal to modulus of alpha. Modulus of alpha means modulus of minus 4. Therefore, answer for positive 4. Then period is equal to 2 pi by modulus of alpha. Therefore, 2 pi by modulus of alpha value 2, isn't it? Therefore, 2 pi by 2. Again 2 cancel. Answer for pi in period subdivision 3rd. Okay. So, 3 subdivision is over. I will continue the next question. Be stay on the line. What is the question? Sketch the graph of y is equal to sin of 1 by 3x, isn't it? Solution. So, y is equal to sin of 1 by 3x. What is the basic term to apply for the amplitude and Period means formula y is equal to a sin alpha x. What is the value of a? A is equal to 1. Then alpha is equal to 1 by 3. Amplitude means definitely modulus of a only 1 is there. So answer will be 1. Then period means 2 pi by modulus of alpha. Therefore 2 pi by 1 by 3. Reciprocal means 6 pi, isn't it? So normally the sine graph, this is called pi by 2, it's called pi, this is called 2 pi, this is called 3 pi by 2. That's why what I am saying, so each and every interval it will be increasing pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2, each and every distance pi by 2. Next one pi by 2 plus pi by 2 means common denominator 2 means pi plus pi, 2 pi means 2 cancel, value will be pi. So each and every distance according to the difference only pi by 2, isn't it? So we have the highest of the x value 6 pi, isn't it? Instead of 2 pi, draw with the same normal sine graph. 6 pi means half of 2 pi means 5. Therefore half of 6 pi means we can write it 3 pi. So definitely half of pi by 2 means each and every interval. So here we can write it 3 pi by 2, as well as here 3 pi plus 6 pi. So what is the answer for 6 pi plus 3 pi means value will be 9 pi. Therefore 9 pi by 2 will come, isn't it? So listen very carefully. 5 plus 2 pi means 3 pi. So distance between each and every one pi by 2 means, so we can show here we can write it 9 pi by 2. This is a graph for y is equal to sine of 1 by 3x. Okay, I will continue the next question. Question number 4, find the value of given two subdivision. Okay, one by one we can discuss. Solution. What is the main property? Two important properties there in sine inverse function. So sine inverse of sine of x is equal to x when x belongs to less than or equal to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Second one, sine inverse of sin x is equal to pi minus x when x belongs to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. That is a condition. If we make it on unit circle means all silver teacup means this is called positive pi by 2 to negative pi by 2. The first case sin inverse sin x is equal to x means sometimes it will lies on second and third quadrant means the meeting of the point pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. That is our condition. If you meet such a second and third quadrant case means you have to consider for pi minus x, then only you can find out x value, because the x actually interval main interval minus 90 to positive 90. That is a condition. Okay, I am moving to subdivision 1. Sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. So definitely we can say sine inverse sine x is equal to x means x value 2 pi by 3, but it does not belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Why am I saying it's not belongs to the value? What is the value? 2 pi by 3 means pi we know 180, isn't it? So 180 divided by 3 means cancel means 60. So 2 into 60 means 120, more than negative 90 to positive 90. So what we have to do to apply the second condition? Second condition means sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. So sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3 means pi minus x value. What is the value? 2 pi by 3. So pi minus 2 pi by 3 and cross multiply. 3 into pi means 3 pi minus 2 pi by 3. Therefore 3 pi minus 2 pi means pi by 3. Now you can check it. Pi value 180 divided by 3. So 180 divided by 3 means 60. See, in between negative 90 to positive 90. Our answer also correct. So pi by 3 it belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. This is subdivision 1 answer. Okay. Moving to subdivision 2. First case actually sin inverse sin x is equal to x. X belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Second case sin inverse sin x is equal to pi minus x when x belongs to positive pi by 2 to positive 3 pi by 2. That is second quadrant and third quadrant means. Okay. Subdivision 2. Sin inverse sin 5 by 4 isn't it? It's equal to 5 pi by 4. It does not belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. How? Already we know what is the value of pi? 180. 180 divided by 4 means 45, isn't it? So 5 into 45 means we can say 225. It does not belongs to negative 90 to positive 90. So second case is pi minus x. Therefore sin inverse sin 5 pi by 4 means 5 minus 5 pi by 4. Cross multiply means 4 into pi, 4 pi minus 5 pi by 4. Therefore answer will be negative 5 by 4. Now you can say it belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Check it there. Pi by 4 means 180, isn't it? So 180 divided by 4 means 45. Answer will be negative 45. It belongs to negative 90 to positive 90. So our proof also correct. Okay. Subdivision 1 and 2 is over. I am moving to next question. Question: for what value of x does sin x is equal to sin inverse x? Both of meeting the sin function and inverse sin function, both of drawing in one graph means definitely meeting one particular distance. The correct of the meeting point, one point is there. That point they are asking what is the point, what is the value of x. Okay. Example, the normally sine graph means what will happen, the normally sine function means this is considered for 1 to negative 1, this is positive pi by 2 to negative pi by 2 means this is actually sine function graph, isn't it? Sine function graph. But we need sin x is equal to sin inverse. Sin inverse means instead of 1 we can write it positive pi by 2 to negative pi by 2. Instead of pi by 2 we can write it positive 1 to negative 1. So just opposite, no? So if you draw the same two graph in particular graph means definitely it will be meeting one of the origin point only meeting the same distance. Other whatever the points, even positive 1 or 0.99 something, whatever the meeting points, if you draw in your graph means origin line only it will be joining the both the points sin x and sin inverse x. Therefore we can say answer for what value of x means x is equal to origin point. Therefore definitely we can say final answer for x is equal to 0. This is exercise 4.1 question number 5 answer. Okay. Question number, actually this is called 6, isn't it? Question number 6, find the domain of the following. Two subdivision is there. So okay, one by one we can discuss. Solution, subdivision 1, f of x is equal to sin inverse of x square plus 1 divided by 2x. So y is equal to sin inverse x means domain actually minus 1 to positive 1, isn't it? So minus 1 to positive 1 means minus 1 less than or equal to what is x value? X square plus 1 divided by 2x less than or equal to positive 1. Therefore, so if you do separate term means minus 1 less than or equal to x square plus 1 divided by 2x. There x square plus 1 divided by 2x less than or equal to positive 1. Again minus 1 bring out opposite side means 0 less than or equal to x square plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. Therefore 0 less than or equal to x square plus 1 into 2x means 2x divided by 2x. Therefore 0 less than or equal to this is x plus 1 the whole square, that is called a plus b the whole square form. What is a plus b the whole square? Formula a square plus b square plus 2ab, isn't it? So we can write it x plus 1 the whole square divided by 2x, isn't it? This is considered for equation number 1. Then second condition, plus 1 bring out opposite side means minus 1. So x square plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Again x square plus 1 minus 1 into 2x means minus 2x divided by 2x less than or equal to 0. This is actually a minus b the whole square form. Therefore, we can write it x minus 1 the whole square divided by 2x less than or equal to 0. So, the first one, what is the first formula, first case? 0 less than or equal to x plus 1 the whole square divided by 2x. What is the second case? Second case, x minus 1 the whole square divided by 2x less than or equal to 0. You have to prove with one of the number line. So, number line, what will happen? Minus infinity to positive infinity. Case number 1, if you do separate term 0 means x plus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1. Then 2x is equal to 0 means we can say x is equal to 0. Then case number 2, x minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to positive 1, isn't it? Denominator same, 2x is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 1, 0 and positive 1, isn't it? Now, consider for minus 2 means if x is equal to minus 2, equation number 1, minus 2 means what will happen? Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 the whole square means definitely positive divided by, there is actually negative. So, we can say positive divided by negative means the answer will be negative. So, first condition 0 less than or equal to negative is there. So, definitely first case is not possible, isn't it? This is actually not possible. So, second case what will happen? Second case minus 2 means minus 2 minus 1 means minus 3. Minus 3 the whole square means positive, again divided by again minus, isn't it? So, there is actually minus will come, but this one is possible. But I already told you, if any one case is not possible means both the cases also wrong. Okay, so first cases we can neglect it. Negative 2 is not possible. Then positive 2 means what will happen? If x is equal to positive 2, what will happen? X is equal to positive 2 means, so case number 1, positive 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 the whole square means 9. Definitely 0 less than or equal to positive divided by again positive, no? Here also positive will come. So, 0 less than is there. So, definitely the first case actually 0 less than, isn't it? First case is possible, we can write it. But second case we can look at there. So, positive 2 means 2 minus 1 the whole square, 1 divided by 2. So, 1 divided by 2 means, so less than or equal to 1 divided by 2 means positive value, isn't it? So, positive, then divided by 2 is there. So, divided by 2 also, there is also positive, isn't it? Positive, because 2 is equal to 1, isn't it? So, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means approximately what the value will come? 0 point something value. So, 0 point something means definitely less than or equal to 0. So, this is actually not possible, isn't it? So, this is not possible. Already I told you, if any one case is not possible means both cases also will be wrong. So, minus 2 and positive 2 not possible. Then interval negative 1 to 0. Negative 1 to 0 means if x is equal to negative 0.5. If x is equal to negative 0.5, what will happen? So, negative 0.5 means case number 1. So, negative 0.5 plus 1 means positive 1, 1 the whole square means positive value, 0 less than or equal to positive divided by, there is also negative value will come, isn't it? So, here also definitely we can say not possible, no, 0 less than negative value is there. So, now Case number 2, what will happen? Case number 2 possible. Why? The positive minus 0.5 is there. Minus 0.5 means case number 2 minus 0.5. Minus 0.5 minus means minus. Minus ram anyone the whole square means to convert for positive divided by. There is actually negative is there. So we can say negative less than or equal to 0. But this case is possible. But first case is not possible. No, that's why we can say negative 0.5 and positive 0.5 also not possible. So now we have to take the fixed correct term. Correct term means minus 1, 0 and positive 1 means what will happen? Okay, look at there. If x is equal to minus 1, what will happen? X is equal to minus 1 means case number 1, 0 less than or equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1, 0. 0 divided by anything means value will be 0. So first case possible. Now second case, starting with the minus 1. So minus 1 means minus 2. So minus 2 the whole square means positive divided by minus. Answer will be minus less than or equal to 0. This case also possible. Okay. So minus 1 is correct. Okay. Next one, positive 1 means if x is equal to positive 1, what will happen? If x is equal to positive 1 means case number 1. So case number 1 x is equal to positive means case number 1, what will happen? Positive means 0 less than or equal to 1 plus 1 means second positive divided by again also positive. No? So first case also possible. So possible case, isn't it? Positive 1. Next second case, what will happen? Second case also positive 1 means 1 minus 1. Yeah, 1 minus 1 means 0. 0 divided by anything means value will be 0. So we can sure second case also possible. So what I am saying from negative 1 and positive 1 means the domain simply we can say domain actually minus 1 to positive 1. This is the domain for subdivision 1. Okay, moving to subdivision 2. So subdivision 2, x value 2x minus 1, isn't it? So domain already we know minus 1 to positive 1, isn't it? So minus 1 to positive 1 means minus 1 less than or equal to 2x minus 1 less than or equal to positive 1. Divide 2 term means minus 1 less than or equal to 2x minus 1. Again 2x minus 1 less than or equal to positive 1. Therefore 0 less than or equal to minus 1 bring it opposite side means 2x minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 0 less than or equal to 2x means definitely we can say the first case 0 value, isn't it? 0 will come. Now second case 2x less than or equal to 1. Minus 1 bring out opposite side means positive 1. Therefore 2x less than or equal to 2 means x less than or equal to 1 will come. So this is x2 open, this is x2 close. So simply we can say the domain 0 to less than or equal to positive 1 because x close to positive 1, x open to 0. Therefore the domain for subdivision 2, domain only 0 and 1, but we have to do closed bracket. Why? The both interval also equal to, here also less than or equal to, there else also less than or equal to. That's why I have drawn with closed interval. Okay, subdivision 2 also over. Okay, I will continue the next question. Last question from exercise 4.1, question number 7, isn't it? This is one formula. Now find the value of sine inverse. This is called x, this is called y, as well as the second part also cos x and sin y. So sin x into cos y plus cos x sin y. This is called actually sin of x plus y. So sin of x plus y means x value will be 5 pi by 9, y value pi by 9. Okay. Therefore solution. sine inverse of sin x plus y, isn't it? So sine inverse of sine of x value 5 pi by 9 plus y value pi by 9. Now sine inverse of sine, common denominator 9 means 5 pi plus pi. Therefore sine inverse of sine 5 pi plus pi means 6 pi by 9. So cancel means 2 and 3. Therefore sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. So sine inverse of sine x means we have the two different property. Property number 1, sine inverse of sin x is equal to x when x belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Second case, sin inverse of sin x is equal to x when x belongs to positive pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. So I will do the true method, you can prefer it, whatever you have easy. Okay, the first concept, this sin inverse sin x is equal to pi minus x means, okay, pi minus x when x belongs to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Okay, now I am doing the first method. Second method, what will happen? Second method means we have the x value 2 pi by 3, isn't it? So sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3 means pi minus x value 2 pi by 3. Therefore 3 into pi means 3 pi minus 2 pi by 3. Therefore 3 pi minus 2 pi means pi by 3. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. This is first one. Then second method also, listen. This is a 2, actually the 2 pi by 3 means what is the value? 2 into 180 by 3. 180 by 3 means 60. So 2 into 60 is equal to 120. Above more than 90, negative 92, positive 90. Okay, the second case also, instead of 2 pi by 3, this is actually second method. You can stop it. If you do pi minus x format means you can stop it up to pi by 3, first one. Or this method, instead of sine inverse sine of, instead of 2 pi by 3 we can write now pi minus pi by 3. If you simplify means pi minus pi by 3 means you will get what the answer? 2 pi by 3. So already we know the unit circle. This is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi, 4 pi, it's moving on. The condition pi minus means 0 to pi minus all silver teacup. Second quadrant means sign only positive. Here also sign value is there. Therefore sine inverse sine of pi by 3. So sine inverse sine x form is equal to x when x belongs to negative pi by 2, positive pi by 2. Therefore we can say sure it's pi by 3, it belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. See the same answer, pi by 3, here also pi by 3. So pi by 3 means actually what is the value? 180 by 3 means 60. 60 means we can show negative 92, positive 90. Okay, so true method I have done, you can prefer it. Okay, which one is easy? Okay, the exercise 4.1 is completed. I will continue the cos problem. Moving to example 4.5, find the principal value of cos inverse root 3 by 2. Very simple line, isn't it? Instead of root 3 by 2, what is the radians value will come? Radians value means according to the finger your truth table. The finger means what did I say? The cos function means square root of number of finger count in little side. So little side means this is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 means 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. The condition root 3 by 2 is. So root 3 by 2 means little side means definitely you have to fold indicate finger. Then only you can check it, little side 3 finger balance is there. So we can say instead of the solution condition cos inverse root 3 by 2, isn't it? What is the value of 0 to pi, isn't it? So 0 to pi means 0 to 180. So instead of root 3 by 2 we can write it, this is called root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. So instead of root 3 by 2 we can write it cos pi by 6. So cos inverse, because cos pi by 6 means value will be root 3 by 2. Cos inverse cos pi by 6. I told you cos inverse cos function means cos inverse cos cancel means pi by 6. It belongs to 0 to pi. This is answer for example 4.5. I will continue the next question. Example 4.6, given 3 subdivision. Okay, one by one we can discuss. Subdivision 1, cos inverse minus of 1 by root 2. So cos inverse of 1 by root 2 means domain we know minus 1 to positive 1 as well as range also 0 to pi, isn't it? The given condition also minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2 means according to the finger in your truth table, 1 by root 2 means cos we have to check it little side. Little side means sure we can say it lies on middle finger. So pi by 6 0, pi by 6 pi by 4. Therefore we can say cos pi by 4 is equal to cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. But here actually negative sign, isn't it? So negative sign means cos inverse of, so negative of cos pi by 4, isn't it? So cos inverse negative of cos, otherwise cos inverse cos pi by 4 negative pi by 4. Already why am I writing cos of pi by 4? Already we know cos pi by 4 value will be 1 by root 2, but minus sign is there, that's why I have written for cos of minus pi by 4. So we know cos of minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. What is the meaning? Cos of minus theta is equal to positive cos theta. Why we are saying cos of minus theta means 360 minus theta means it lies on fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means according to the all silver teacup means cos only positive in fourth quadrant. So we can say cos of minus theta is equal to positive cos theta. But there actually cos inverse cos of minus pi by 4. Minus pi by 4 means, so cos inverse of cos x is equal to x is equal to x when its x belongs to 0 to pi. But cos inverse of cos x is equal to negative pi by 4 is there. Definitely we can say it does not belongs to 0 to pi. According to the unit circle, cos all silver teacup, second and third quadrant cos will be negative. Second and third, because 0 to pi no range actually. 0 to pi means second and third. So cyclic order padi we have to consider for the second quadrant. Sine we can say, what is the meaning of sine? Pi minus theta. Instead of theta we can take it, what is the value? Pi by 4. Therefore cos inverse cos of pi minus pi by 4. Now cos inverse cos of 4 into pi means 4 pi minus pi by 4. So cos inverse cos of 4 pi minus pi means now positive 3 pi by 4. So positive 3 pi by 4 means 3 into 180 divided by 4. 180 divided by 4 means 45. So 3 into 45 means definitely 135. It lies on 0 to 180. 0 to 180 means our answer also correct. Therefore, cos inverse cos 3 by 4 is equal to 3 pi by 4. It belongs to 0 to pi. So first subdivision 1 is over. Moving to subdivision 2. Subdivision 2, cos inverse cos of minus pi by 3, isn't it? So simply we can say cos inverse of cos x is equal to x when x belongs to 0 to pi. That means a positive value, but there is negative value. Already we know cos of minus theta is equal to positive cos theta. Therefore, just rearrange it. Cos inverse of cos negative pi by 3 means we can write now positive pi by 3. Therefore, cos inverse of cos x means now we can say pi by 3. It belongs to 0 to pi. How? According to the cos of minus theta is equal to positive cos theta. Okay, subdivision 2 also over. Moving to subdivision 3rd. Subdivision 3rd, cos inverse cos of sin pi by 6, isn't it? So sin pi 7 pi by 6 means definitely 7 pi by 6, it does not belongs to 0 to pi. How? 7 into 180 divided by 6. 180 divided by 6 means 30 degrees. 7 into 30 means 210. It's more than 0 to 180. Just we have to rearrange it. How to do actually? Look at there. Cos inverse of cos. Just expand means pi plus pi by 6. So now pi plus pi by 6 means 6 into pi, 6 pi. 6 pi plus 5 means 7 pi by 6. Instead of 7 pi by 6, I have expanded pi plus pi by 6. Then the unit circle 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi 4 pi, it's moving on. So pi plus means definitely it lies on third quadrant. Third quadrant means all silver teacup, tan only positive, but here cos is there. So therefore cos inverse of definitely cos of minus pi by 6. So cos of minus pi by 6 means definitely equal cos inverse of cos x means negative pi by 6. It does not belongs to 0 to pi. So cos negative term actually second and third. According to the cyclic way, how to consider for second quadrant means this is called pi minus theta. What is the theta value? Pi by 6. Therefore, cos inverse cos of pi minus pi by 6. Therefore, cos inverse cos of pi minus pi by 6 means 6 into pi, 6 pi. 6 pi minus pi means 5 pi by 6. Therefore, now we can say cos inverse cos cancel means 5 pi by 6, it belongs to 0 to pi. What is the value of 5 pi by 6? 5 into 180 divided by 6. So 6 and 180 cancel means 30 times. 5 into 30 means 5 3s are 15, 150. It lies on 0 to 180. Okay. Therefore, subdivision third is answer 5 pi by 6. Okay. So please listen, my dear students. I hope you have satisfied in this session. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. I will continue the next session. Bye bye.